Will Ethereum go up? Ethereum has recuperated on numerous occasions after a significant fall and is probably going to do as such throughout the following year. 1. Ethereum kept on driving the market in week-by-week NFT deals with Solana. 2. Regulators keep on excess confounded about how they wish to treat cryptographic forms of money going ahead. The SEC keeps on excess profoundly bad about digital currencies after its new settlement with Kraken. The central bank has not been as forceful, however various activities don't recommend it will be steady either. Ethereum gauge. Is Ethereum a wise speculation? Ethereum develops the Bitcoin blockchain by building shrewd agreement includes that are lumbering to execute on Bitcoin. ERC-20 is a standard utilized on the Ethereum blockchain to give brilliant agreements as fungible tokens. This standard can be utilized across different items and administrations. Digital forms of money like Shiba Inu are given through ERC-20 token. ERC-721 is a norm to give non-fungible tokens. Use cases for Ethereum DAO, decentralized independent associations, not at all like conventional hierarchical designs with clear initiative and hierarchical navigation. DAOs work in a more just way with recommendations casted a ballot by individuals from the blockchain. Ethereum shrewd agreements. Most altcoins don't have blockchains of their own. All things being equal, they issue ERC-20 tokens from the Ethereum blockchain. Ethereum charges a gas expense as Ether. Digital money for utilizing the Ethereum blockchain metaverse. Practically all metaverse stages issue based on the Ethereum blockchain. DeFi tokens. Ethereum is a predominant player here with most tokens and applications based on Ethereum decentralized applications, dApps, like Uniswap, Polymarket, and so forth. Contenders of Solana, Cardano, and Polkadot fundamental wellsprings of Ethereum worth. ERC-20 symbolic exchanges. DeFi agreements. NFT exchanges. Ethereum has had two misfortune years since its send-off after a hard fork with and so on in 2016. The misfortunes came in 2018 and 2019. The years when the central bank decreased the size of its accounting report. The misfortunes in 2022 have additionally followed a similar example. Will Ethereum go up? Ethereum has risen 28% since the accident of FTX. It has been one of the top entertainers, aside from metaverse gaming tokens. Bitcoin rose 18% during that period. Ethereum has increased because of numerous reasons. The expansion rate has fallen further. Developing business sector opinions, which urge financial backers to get back to unsafe resources, like digital forms of money. Ethereum benefits at whatever point the crypto market performs well in light of the fact that numerous cryptographic forms of money utilize the ERC-20 token with no significant emergency. After the FTX embarrassment, the adverse consequences of FTX have decreased fundamentally. With the misfortunes because of FTX all the more plainly recognized, FUD moved lower and assisted push the ETH, with valuing higher as FUD fell. DeFi TVL quit crashing, prompting more interest for ETH gas expenses. This pushed ETH higher too. When will Ethereum go up to $3,000 in 2023? 1. Ethereum has previously ascended from the lower part of November 2. The future increment will rely on how the worldwide economy and US financing costs work out. 3. If the worldwide economies get better in the primary half, ETH ought to see a gigantic siphon. If not, it would require a couple of months into the last part or right on time 1 year from now for a significant Ethereum siphon. 4. The mix of the two could push expansion lower and help crypto costs somewhere in the range of 2018 and 2020, when the Fed previously halted and afterward started to extend its monetary record. Bitcoin and Ethereum rose in excess of 3 overlay from the base. Nonetheless, both had fundamentally lower market cap than Ethereum today. Around then there were around 2,000 altcoins and BTC predominance was above 60%. Today, there are almost 10k altcoins and BTC predominance is beneath half. Thus while Ethereum will surely rise essentially on the off chance that the monetary circumstances work on as the year progressed, expecting them multiplying in the following 11 months is ridiculous. Such resource expansion could push expansion higher once more and result in more financing cost climbs. Ethereum value expectation 2023, 2025 and 2030. Among these, macroeconomic variables assume an enormous part. Ethereum is down 75% throughout recent months, an enormous piece of it because of the liquidity press forced by the central bank by virtue of high expansion. Past such liquidity presses, in 2018-19 for instance, have prompted a 65% drop in cost. In that specific situation, worldwide financial recuperation is the most significant deciding component for Ethereum's restoration to the levels beginning around 2021. Involving 2018-19 took care of examples as a base for learning. it is far-fetched Ethereum will get back to 2021 levels before 2025. The worldwide stock chains are yet to completely recuperate. Hence, in the short run, the unpredictability will probably be high. In any case, the cost of Ether is probably going to ascend over the course of the following couple of years, first progressively throughout the following 2 years prior to siphoning higher in 2025. Most stages anyway are extending genuinely hopeful development for Ethereum in 2023, presumably putting money on a more certain climate in the last part of 2023. Ethereum value expectation 2023 is $2,705. Ethereum value forecast 2025. Worldwide economies are probably going to recuperate completely by 2024, and this will push Ethereum altogether higher, somewhere in the range of 2024 and 2025. Projections for 2025 are very hopeful, and this is substantially more sure than the projections for 2023. Ethereum value forecast 2025 is $5,096. The variables that will drive development in the following 3 years are undisputed pioneer in the Shroud agreement space. 1. Necessities ETH2 exchanges utilizing Ethereum Layer 1 blockchain. Most altcoins use ERC token system, so as numerous alts fall flat, the not many that are passed on will keep on controlling Ethereum, both in the short and long run. Metaverses are probably going to blast on the rear of better VR glasses, which are probably going to be presented in the final part of 2023. Facebook's Meta is additionally prone to drive the expansion in metaverse memberships in the following 3 years. The union prompts Ethereum collapse, a sort of consume. The market cap of digital forms of money currently is $1 trillion. 1% of the assignment of current worldwide abundance would add up to $4 trillion, which is 4x the ongoing business sector cap. Accordingly, it is possible great digital currencies like Ethereum will keep on getting financial backer portions, and Ethereum in principle could rise for increase over the course of the following 2 years. Ethereum cost expectation 2030. The period somewhere in the range of 2025 and 2030 is probably going to be the brilliant time of Ethereum, with expanded reception rates across organizations, among shoppers driving a monstrous requirement for the Ethereum token. In principle, these projections are possible surrendered the form up until this point. Chances there are probably going to be repetitive financial breezes too, as new developments that could hurt blockchain and Ethereum. Ethereum value expectation 2030 is $22,827. Ethereum value expectation 2040 would project Ethereum costs for 2040 based in moderate situations. If the ETH cost increments by 15% per annum, $16,228. If the ETH cost increments by 25% per annum, $72,792. Will Ethereum reach $10,000, $15,000, $50,000, and $100,000? To reach $10,000, Ethereum needs to develop by 7.16 times, believing its ongoing business sector cost to be $1,396. Like